Now at 5:30, a retired judge weighs in on youth offenders, that is, in our community and what can be done moving forward. Good afternoon. I'm Karen Edwards. Lowell is off. 13 Wham's Natalie Calzatoni sat down with retired Monroe County Court Judge Patricia Marks. Natalie.
Karen, Judge Patricia Marks is retired but is involved in various legal organizations in the community. She recently moderated a discussion about youth and the criminal justice system and weighs in on the matter. Retired Monroe County Court Judge Patricia Marks moderated a Monroe County Bar Association panel last month discussing the hot topic of youth and criminal justice.
Some of these cases are very sad. And of course, the person was victimized by the crime. I'm not forgetting about them.
During the panel, a child attorney explained almost all criminal cases involving kids aged 12 to 15 are heard in family court. But for 16 and 17-year-olds, it's a bit more complex. Nonviolent felonies start in youth part, and unless there are extraordinary circumstances, the cases normally get moved to family court. In family court, there is no bail and no criminal records for juvenile delinquents. Youth part, however, is similar to adult criminal court, but a family court judge is present. I recently sat down with Monroe County's Chief Probation Officer, Christine Durante, who told me the number of youths on electronic monitoring is nearly 30.
Probation handles all of the juveniles, both pre-adjudication and post-adjudication. We have our JEDS program that works with kids that are right at the beginning of the system, and we're trying to keep them out of furtherance into the system.
I asked Judge Marks about a specific youth case involving 17-year-old Theodis Parks. The teen, police call a career criminal, allegedly crashed a stolen Kia following a police pursuit in August, killing 92-year-old Thomas Chase. Parks is now charged with murder.
I don't know all the circumstances. I know people are absolutely outraged, but we shouldn't make policy based on what hopefully is an isolated incident. But we should look at that serious isolated incident and decide how, if at all, it affects policy.
Judge Marks says juvenile delinquents who become adult offenders are often victims of neglect or abuse. She believes preventative programs are essential.
We listen to the data, we listen to what the community wants, and maybe have focus groups that balance everything that'd be more helpful to judges who have to make unbiased decisions.
During the panel, the Assistant Chief Probation Officer did say they want to change processing times for appearance tickets given to youth so they can be expedited to mitigate gaps. Karen?